All right, Duke Nation, Cameron Crazy, let's get into it. This is your Duke Game 26 recap from this past Monday. And in Game 26, Duke gets the win over the Syracuse Orangemen, 101 to 64, a 37-point blowout win for Duke. That now improves Duke's record to 24-2 overall and 13-1 in the ACC. Cameron Boozer led the way for Duke with 22 points. Isaiah Evans had 21 points. Patrick DeGumba had 12 points. Dame Sarr had 4 points. And then Caleb Foster had 3 points. Duke's bench had a total of 39 points. Duke was led off the bench by Nicholas Kamenya with 14 of those points. Cameron Boozer had the most rebounds for Duke with 12 rebounds. And then Malik Brown had the most assists for Duke with 5 assists. Your player of the game for Duke is going to be Cameron Boozer with 22 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists. Duke's next game is obviously this Saturday at home against a very good Michigan team. In fact, Duke's next game is at home this Saturday against number 1 Michigan. Oh boy. This is going to be a tough one. This is a potential Final Four matchup, potential national championship preview matchup. So we'll see how it goes. But anyways, guys, with that being said, Duke only has 5 games left on the regular season here. And then we'll get into ACC tournament play and then the big tournament. But anyways, like I said, Duke has 5 games left. One against an out-of-conference opponent, like I said, Duke has 5 games left total on the regular season. One of them, which is a Saturday, at home against number 1 Michigan. Another 4 conference games, which is against, in order, Notre Dame, Virginia, NC State, and then we'll finish at home against North Carolina. I believe out of the 4 conference games, 2 are at home, 2 are on the road. So the Notre Dame game, I'm not sure which one's at home. I know the North Carolina game that we have is at home, and I believe NC State's at NC State. I'm not sure where they're at, but I know the North Carolina game will be at home at Duke. So, yeah, it's in pretty good shape. I think Duke's probably going to win the ACC regular season. But anyway, like I said, Duke's next game is this Saturday at home against number 1 Michigan. Go Duke.